Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install AutoDXF after you download it from Autodesk Store. You will download a zip file, and first of all you have to extract this. So right click on the downloaded file, click extract all, and a new folder will appear, and then you will have the actual installer here. Double click this, click yes in user account control, and then select the language of the installation. Next step is to select the version of AutoDXF. This depends on the version of your Inventor. So if you're installing, for example, for Inventor 2026, select AutoDXF v6. And now the actual installer for this version will run. Just go through this. You can check what's new or not, and then finish the installation. Now I will run Autodesk Inventor. You will get this message on the first run after you install it. Click Launch Add-in Manager, find AutoDXF, and make sure that this is checked. You have to do this only on the first run. Now open an assembly containing some sheet metal parts. And you can now use AutoDXF. You will find it in Ribbon Tools, in Panel Basic. Click the command and the window should open. You can search for sheet metal parts, do some file settings and save location, select export format, do post-processing settings here, and set your layer settings. After all this is done, just click export, and you will get the exported DXF files in your target folder. Thank you for installing the trial version of AutoDXF.